Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to upgrade my EMAX Hawk 5-inch quadcopter using the new 6-inch arms that were recently released. The cost of the 4 arms is about $18 and obviously they are going to enable you to use 6-inch propellers. So this is a 5-inch arm. Here you can see how it looks next to the 6-inch one. Of course the 6-inch arm is extended, but you can see that also they added a little bit more motor protection. Of course the thickness of both arms is identical and is 4.5 millimeters. And the weight of the 6-inch version is about 11.5 grams, so it's about 1.6 grams heavier than the 5-inch version. So the next thing I'm going to do is to replace the 5-inch arms with the 6-inch version, and then I'm going to head outdoors and test it with these new Avan long-range 6-inch propellers. These propellers performed quite well on my bench test when I tested the Hobbymate motors, so I'm looking forward to see how it's going to perform with the EMAX Hawk 6. Now it's going to be a 6-inch quadcopter, so that should be pretty interesting. In addition, I can tell you that so far I've been really enjoying the EMAX Hawk 5 and it is one of my favorite quadcopters, so check out my review if you want to find out more information about it. So I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos and goodbye.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I